What was out there? Hi, treasures. Please like and subscribe. There was something out here, and it was a chipmunk. It was making so much noise. Wow, a little chipmunk, and I missed it. Okay. I guess that's all it was. But the plants are all, well, not all of them yet. They're getting bigger. What, Curly? Still got to move this back over and that back over. You don't want it moved back over because of the weight? But it's fixed now.
I don't want to move back over. I want to move back home.
Yep, that's what it was, that little old chipmunk. What, Bobby?
We're going to move it back over. We're going to move it back over.
I don't see where it hurt anything.
Mama,
What?
we're going to move that over. Play, Mama.
Oh, Zach, it's not going to break again. He fixed it.
Yeah, I
Look
know.
at sunflowers, how tall.
Mama,
You're worried now, ain't you?
Huh?
You're worried now, aren't you?
Yeah.
I understand that.
Mama.
What?
We're going to move that back over. We're going to move that back over.
Yep, that's all that was out here. Got a little bit more sawdust to put on the garden. I'm trying to.
We're going to move that back over.
If it'll make you feel better, then probably not. And there's the boss, Curly, hollering at me. Worried about it falling over again, huh?
Yeah, we're going to fall over.
I hear you. Okay, we love you, treasures. And we will see you all on the next one. Remember, you're all beautiful. And keep on smiling.